Hello everyone, welcome back to Cash App Advisor. In today's video, we are going to explain what Cash App is and why so many people use it every day. We'll also talk about how Cash App is different from other payment apps and why many users think it is better. Now, let's get started. First of all, what is Cash App? Cash App is a mobile payment app that lets users send and receive money directly from their phone. It was created by Block Inc. and has become one of the most popular payment apps. With Cash App, you can send money to friends and family, receive payments quickly, use a Cash App card for shopping, get direct deposits, buy Bitcoin and stocks, and manage your money in one simple app. Now you may be wondering, why do so many people choose Cash App instead of other payment apps? One big reason is simplicity. Some banking apps look confusing, especially for beginners, but Cash App has a very clean and simple design. Even new users can understand how it works within minutes. Another reason is speed. Sending money on Cash App is usually very fast, and that's why many young users and freelancers prefer using it for daily payments. Now let's talk about one of Cash App's most popular features, the Cash App Card. The Cash App Card is a debit card connected directly to your Cash App balance. You can use it in stores, restaurants, gas stations, and online shopping websites just like a normal bank card. And unlike many traditional banking apps, Cash App also gives users modern features like Bitcoin buying and stock investing directly inside the app. That's something that makes Cash App different from many other payment apps. Instead of only sending money, Cash App tries to give users multiple financial tools in one place. Another reason people like Cash App is convenience. You can manage payments, receive money, use a debit card, and even invest, all from one app on your phone. But remember, you should always stay careful while sending money online. Never send payments to strangers, and always double-check usernames before transferring money. So overall, Cash App became popular because it is fast, simple, beginner-friendly, and packed with useful features. Alright everyone, now you know what Cash App is and why millions of Americans use it every day. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cash App Advisor, and turn on notifications for more helpful Cash App videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.